you have been asking about linky app. So in linky app, like I said, a lot of men do ask me if linky app is meant for men, if men can chat in linky. No, men don't chat here on linky app. What you do is you give to women on linky, but you can also earn. Like I see people who earn, but how you're going to be earning is going on live streaming. Okay, you go to your live streaming and people give to. I think that is how men earn in this particular platform. Now let me answer another question that you guys have been asking me: how to withdraw from linky. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to withdraw on linky. So if you see me looking down, please forgive me. I'm going to be recording from my phone and I want to place it while talking to you people. So I'm going to go to linky, and this is how you are going to be withdrawing from linky. Now what you need to do is go to where you see your message sign. Okay, so when you get to your message sign, like you can see a lot of messages are here. I haven't actually replied them, so just go to where you see your diamond. Okay, where you see your diamond, you click on it. So when you get to the place you see your diamond, you see the money you've made on linky and how much on average you are going to withdraw. So what you're going to do is, sorry guys, I can't reply messages, I'm busy with this. Okay, so what you're going to do is tap on withdraw. Okay, so when you tap on withdraw, it's going to take you to this particular place. So when it takes you to this place, you now choose the coin you want to withdraw from, how much coin you want to withdraw from. So it depends on you. $2 is 10,000 diamonds. So I found out on linky that 5,000 diamond is $1. So for you to actually have that on mind, $5,000 diamonds on linky is $1. So you get your link, and if you're just signing up on linky as a first timer, you're going to be getting 5,000 diamonds. Like I signed up with a new account and I got 5,000 diamonds. That was $1. I was like, wow, seriously, these people really meant it. Okay, so 25,000 diamond on linky is $5. So you have to work hard in order for you to get this particular money. So for you to withdraw, let's just head straight to it. If I'm to withdraw $10, I will hit on 50 diamonds. Okay, I'm not going to withdraw, guys. I'm not withdrawing my money now. So you see, you come here, you see how whatever thing you have to go through. So withdrawal of diamonds, you have to be age 18, blah blah blah. 5,000 diamond equals to $1. Then each withdrawal request you make under your selected withdrawal method is also subject to additional conditions displayed at the point of withdrawal. Okay, so you have to read all these things you've come through, and you also have to agree to the terms and conditions, but I'll ask you to actually go through it. Okay, so then you agree and continue. So here is where we have the cocoa problem. Okay, now a lot of people have been asking me if I can withdraw with Nigerian money. Yes, you can withdraw with your Nigerian money. Okay, with your Nigerian bank account. Sorry, you can withdraw with your Nigerian bank account. Now we see I have high traffic of messages. This particular app is not playing app. Okay, now what you have to do here is, as you have seen it now, look at what I'm doing. You see withdraw money to bank account. Now come to this place. Now after withdrawing, you come and say, Vivi, I withdraw my money. It's not what I wanted to get. No, just go through it and look at it right now. Look at this place where you say withdraw amount. Now if I'm to withdraw that's $10, which I click, I'm going to be my withdrawal amount should have been, my withdrawal amount should have been 13,782.45 naira. That is what I should have been getting, but my estimated fee that my app is charging me together with that of bank is 2,756.49 naira. So as you can see, my estimated amount received, the one I'm going to be receiving out of my $10 that I'm going to be receiving out of 13,000 is 11,000. Guys, just call it 11,000. This is what I'm going, this is what is going to come to my bank account, and is really poor. Then if you want to make withdrawal, you can just click on withdraw with your bank, then fill in your information. Okay, you come here, you fill in your information. I don't want to withdraw, so this is where you click on filling your information and you submit it, and your money is going to like work immediately. It's going to come to your app, okay, your bank or whatever. Then if you want to get your money in a way that is like, you want to get your money without it like moving back or front and all that, you just come to withdraw money to e-pay account. Okay, you tap on e-pay account. So for e-pay account, this is why you need your e-pay account. If you're working with apps, this is where you need it. So with e-pay account, what you're going to be withdrawing is your withdrawal is 10 USD, but estimated fee is 0.29 USD. That is what they're going to be taking, and you're going to be receiving 9.71 USD if you should withdraw it from your e-pay. And from this particular e-pay, you are going to be withdrawing directly to your bank. I don't think they're going to be charging you that much as of you withdrawing directly to your bank account. You see, this is the difference. Okay, so now I just found out that they created a coin account that is for e-pay. If you want to withdraw from e-pay, I will also ask you not to, they'll be taking 20.12 USDT, and your received amount is 10.12 minus 10.12 USDT. I don't know how USDT works, but I don't know if this is worth it. Okay, if it's worth it, you can actually create an e-pay coin based account, and you can still make use of it to withdraw. So this is all about you withdrawing. So once you are done, you fill in your information. Please don't ask me how to like do it. Okay, so just come here, you fill in your information, your name, your bank account, your wallet account, and all that. So you head back. Okay, for those of you asking me how do I go to live streaming, I just want to answer these questions in this particular video. How do I go to live streaming? How do I live stream? So I'm going to show you how to do that also. So here you see where it says party room. You hit on party room. Okay, it's going to take you to recommended. These are people who are live streaming right now, people who are online and live streaming. So for you to go to your own room, you tap on the place where it says my room. It's written down there, my room. Okay, once you hit my room, it's going to take you to this particular place, and you click on plus sign. So it brings these particular options for you. Take a seat, invite, lock seat, and all that. Just take a seat. Okay, for you to invite people, you tap on it. You can tap on yourself, you can tap on any seat. You can invite people, tap on the plus sign rather, then invite anybody you want to invite, then lock seats. You can lock all these seats if you want only you and one person to like stay here in this live streaming app. Okay, so the next thing, another person asked me, Vivi, how do I mute my mic? Okay, for you to mute your mic, you come here, you see down here, you're going to look at down here that my hand is like so you see where something like this microphone, this mic that I'm using now is. So you tap on it, you are muted. You see something that cancels it, you are muted. Okay, you are muted for this particular live streaming. And if you look at my profile, you're going to see that my mic there is muted. Then if you tap on it, you unmute. Okay, you unmute. So these are the questions that people have been asking me. It's all about this particular video. Please let me know in the comment section what video you want me to do again. Let me know in the comment section what video you want me to treat again, like your questions in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to like answer you. See you in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.